nahihirapan ka bang mag-share ng gospel card? Tuturuan kita ng tatlong bagay. Tatlong step how to share the gospel card. This is called vow. Number 1 is to pray. Pray for the Holy Spirit. Pray to God kung ano yung kailangan mong gawin. At magpalinis ka din. Ask for discernment. Ask for wisdom. Next is A. Approach. As you approach them, you have to ask their names. You have to introduce yourself. Ask their ages, kung sila nakatira, saan sila nag-aaral, and all. Next is win. Doon na papasok yung gospel card. So yung gospel card, ito yung nakalagay dito, yung love, let go, and Lord. After na mo itong i-share, ipag-pray mo sila ng prayer of acceptance. Okay ba? So, pag sinira sila ng gospel, huwag nyo din kalimutan na i-invite sila sa mga services natin. During Friday, 7 p.m. at the Faith Pavilion, kung youth sila, especially Saturday, CYOD service every 3 p.m. ng Saturday. And Sunday services, SM Cinema 3, 10 a.m. Okay?